Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful cutout floral cushion cover. For this project I am going to use a grey felted fabric. The size of the cushion is 14 by 14 inches. Here in the center I'm going to draw a circle using a cardboard template. After that, draw 3 to 4 inch long line over the circle. Draw the line all around the circle until to get a flower shape. After drawing, now I am going to go over these lines using this cutter to cut along the mark. Do not go over the circle line. After cutting, now I'm going to hold two cut like this and going to attach a pin. Repeat this thing on all the cuts. Now I am going to sew them using a sewing machine. The seam should be about 1¼ inch, leaving ½ inch of distance from the starting point. After sewing, now I am going to attach this pink brocade fabric underneath it. Secure the fabric with pins and attach the bottom of the cushion cover to complete it. So this is the finished look of the cushion cover. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more creative video. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.